These were the first 2 loofah to get pollinated and grow, and now at least one of them is ready to come out. I can hear the seeds, and it's crunchy and dry, and it's very, very light. So, here we go. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'll let the other one go for another day or 2 because it's not totally browned out. And I'll show you how I peel it soon. Okay, so here we are with my first loofah. That means there are dry seeds inside, hopefully, so we're going to start at the bottom, I think. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So you shake all the seeds out. Look at all that. I think I got way more loofah seeds than I'll ever need. If anybody wants to grow loofah, let me know. I got seeds. Now, to see if the inside looks like it's supposed to. Okay. Okay. I could have soaked it to make it soft, but I wanted to hear all the crunchy. And look at that. I think there's still a few more seeds in there. Yep. And that is the inside of a loofah gourd. And I can make sponges out of this. That's pretty cool. Nature is awesome. Have a good night.